Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 55 from our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Now, if we head back into the program here, so today's shape we're going to be looking at part 55. So you can view it as a few different shapes as a base, should I say, similar to a few different base flat parts, but ultimately this is going to be a combination of three different rectangles. So it's not going to be quite as advanced as this rectangle over here, P56. It's going to be a more simple version, but it still falls under the advanced flat parts. So if we go here to P55, we can see we don't have that many settings, we only have 5. And if we zoom in here, we can quickly see what do we have. So now, first of all, we've got over here the A and B, which is the width and height like usual. Then what we have is we've got the Y, as you can see over here, for the height, and the X. And you might also notice that it sets it for both. So if you set Y for the one, we'll set it for both, and X will set the both. And this one's difference is we can adjust the center. So how far are those two shapes apart from each other? So let's set this. I'm going to make this once again. Let's go about 200. Let's make it swap this around a bit. Yeah, let's go 200 and the bottom 250. So I like to do wide ones, but make a tall one once. Okay, so next up what I want to do is first establish the size of our rectangle cutouts. So I'm going to make the height. Yeah, maybe keep the theme going. So let's first go X. So I'm going to make this one about 30. And the height, I think, let's make it about, what do we have, the 250. So we can easily go about 230. So we're going to be quite a large cutout. And then I think I want to make this a little bit broader. Let's go about 50. And then if we put, let's say about what is this, about 75 spacing between. Let's just have a look at that, because this is to the edges, not to the center. Let's preview it. There we go. We've got, almost looks like one of those old school lockers. So we've got that shape. Now obviously yeah, you can adjust this according to your actual design, or ideally you should, but you can. And then I'm just going to go manual quantities, add this, and then add this to our canvas. Now I would say what makes this shape quite unique or different, something to keep in mind, is the fact that the center here, you'll be setting it to the edges of the shape, where most of the shapes you're going to be setting to the center of the shape, where this one's going to be to the edges. So just keep that in mind and you should be fine. Otherwise, that is it on part number 55. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the me form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.